Hi everyone, this is the daily weather hazard briefing from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho for Monday, November 6th. We've got more rain, more mountain snow, and more wind coming our way in the forecast as we go through today, Monday, and even into Tuesday. We'll finally start to dry things out a little bit as we get into the midweek time frame. So yes, showers are going to continue on and off through today and through tomorrow. Winds will still be gusty today and tomorrow as well. Temperatures are still generally warm enough for rain for most. Again, you got to get a little bit higher up into the mountains to get some more of that snow. Um, Limited valley snow trying to mix in during the overnight hours, but that's a pretty big if. Overall, temperatures will start to cool as we get into tomorrow, but afternoon highs are still going to be above freezing. Those temperatures don't really drop below freezing until we get Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. But again, that's the same time that we're going to be drying out finally, at least down here in the valleys. Satellite this morning showing plenty of moisture still streaming in from the Pacific. Again, this is going to be the trend as we go through today and tomorrow, with just kind of a few more waves of rain showers moving through on and off. Today, we may even hear a couple of rumbles of thunder. So, generally speaking, looking at our weather risk outlook grid, rain and snow as you get higher up in elevation. Breezy for everyone, but windy through parts of the Snake Plain and Magic Valley, where some of those gusts will be strongest, especially today. We get a little bit of a break for some of us tonight, but likely still stays breezy even overnight up near the Idaho Falls area. Breezy with more rain and some high elevation snow as we go throughout Tuesday. And then finally we get into Wednesday, still some light snow, mainly in the morning. Winds will still be breezy at that point too. But then things start to calm down as the day goes on. Thursday, actually, high pressure builds in, mainly just for the day. And then another system tries to head our way. So we get into Friday, could bring a couple chance for a few showers, maybe some light snow up in the mountains again, but not looking too impactful with that system, at least at this point. A look at high temperatures today. Again, most of us back into the mid-50s once again for our highs. You get into areas like Sun Valley, Haley, Stanley, highs will be closer to those mid and upper 40s. But you see all of us pretty much above freezing, at least as we get into this afternoon. Wind gusts, though, definitely going to be picking up as we go through the day once again. A lot of us in that 25 to 30 mile per hour range, but some 35 mile per hour gusts, even an isolated gust up to 40, not out of the question. As far as precip totals go, models kind of want to bring a band of some rain showers almost right over Pocatello in the American Falls area, so you'll notice that's why those numbers are a little bit higher, closer to maybe 0.2 of an inch of rain. Again, if that sets up a little bit farther north or south, those numbers will change. But generally speaking, a lot of us probably around 1/10 of an inch or so today. As far as snow goes, again, most of us not going to see any. You really got to get up into the mountains to get some of that snow. So limited impacts there. As we get into Tuesday, finally our temperatures are going to start to drop. But you'll notice the morning still not terribly cold. A lot of us above freezing even, down here in the valleys at least. And in the afternoon, a lot of us will be in the 40s. So we'll drop about 5 to 10 degrees for Tuesday afternoon highs compared to today. Wind gusts themselves, still breezy, but we'll have a little bit of a break here and there. Generally speaking, wind gusts around 20-25 miles per hour tomorrow, but we could see some gusts overnight Tuesday into Wednesday closer to that 30 mile per hour range. The temperatures, though, as we get into Wednesday morning, that's when you'll start to notice it will be colder, with more of us dropping into the mid and upper 20s to start off Wednesday morning, and then afternoon highs there, getting into the low 40s for a lot of us. There's kind of that time frame late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning that we see those 25, 30, maybe 35 mile per hour gusts. But again, things are going to start to then calm down a little bit as we go throughout the day on Wednesday. So we'll be drying out. The winds will be backing off. So we'll see some improvements as the day goes on. Then as we get into Thursday, a cold start to the morning. A lot of us in the low and mid 20s. And then afternoon temperatures back into the low and mid 40s. Then we'll kind of actually warm things up a little bit as we go through the next couple days, and then we can head into the weekend. By next Sunday and Monday, temperatures could be back into the low 50s even for us. As far as the winds go, on Thursday, they will be much lighter in comparison. Gusts around 15, maybe 20 miles per hour. So overall, this active weather pattern is going to continue at least through today and tomorrow. Once we get to Wednesday, things start to quiet down a little bit more. Thursday especially looking to be a quiet day for us. Um, Temperatures will start to cool a little bit more as we get into Tuesday afternoon and then into Wednesday and Thursday. Highs in that case still around the 40s, so not too bad for us. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always connect with us on social media. Probably the best way to get a hold of us there. Otherwise, feel free to send us an email or give us a phone call. Have a great day.